It's Easter Sunday. None up above.
Guess how many I found?
How many?
3. Guess how many I found?
How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Man, you guys had it hard.
Well, I think the little Easter, I think the Easter egg finders are
Waking up.
getting a little bit bigger though. They need a challenge.
It's not just out in the middle open like right there.
You're not just low.
So how many do you have, Annabelle?
4.
Holy cow, they are hitting a little hard.
4.
For Nate, getting the old man hobble going.
Can I look in there?
You were just saying that.
Pretty like it, huh? It's like
It's tradition now. Tradition. Do it again.
tradition now. Tradition. Can I look in there? Can I look in there? Please, Mom. Please.
Knock it off. Oh, you goof. Go look for eggs.
I'm drowning.
What?
Give me a hip punk. I'm just kidding.
You're getting close to one, I think. No? That one must have got found, huh?
Are there any in the front?
Dad said he saw them, or did you get them all? How many do you have now?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many do you have?
I got 1, 2, 7.
Oh, don't let the dog out, Jose.
Sorry, I saw an egg. Right here. Josie, how many do you have? How the heck did they get this tradition? Like, for eggs? Hey, look!
What?
There's giant lollipops. See?
Oh, we got something from the next door Easter bunny. Okay. Okay, how many eggs do you have?
So is there...
Sure, we ate a couple yesterday.
No, we ate 2 yesterday.
Yeah.
I have 10. You have all of them? I have 10.
Okay, let me see yours.
How many do you have?
Will you not eat 4?
There's 2 left.
There might be a couple out.
Dad, tell me.
What? Tell you what.
Oops, sorry.
and Peter's.
Oh, what do I do?
Where was it? Can you hold it up for me? What color is it?
Yeah! Mom, can I look in there?
Did
Mom, please.
you find all your eggs?
No. Am I supposed to find one more?
How many is left in your thing?
10.
How many's left in yours, Annabelle?
11.
Wait. We need one more egg.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
We need one more egg.
I think Josie just found it.
What are you talking about?
What?
I just find another egg. That thing is cold.
All right, yay! Easter egg hunt 2009.
Whatever. Found our eggs now. Let's get inside.
What are you doing, Annabelle? Annabelle.
Are you worrying your eggs? Hey, Josie, shoes. Shoes.
What, Annabelle?
Shoes. Hey, come on.
Get warm.
What?
All right. Goodbye, Annabelle.
Bye.